Let's permanently delete your Instagram account. To start, you can open your Instagram application, then tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. After, tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Here, you have to open this account setup feature. Now, select the last option, manage account, then select manage option next to Instagram. After that, you have to select the second option, deactivation or deletion. Here, the default selection is deactivate. You have to change it to delete account. Then, this account and information will be permanently deleted. Now, if you go forward, it asks you to select a reason. Here, you are feel free to select any reason, but I will select this one. Created another account. Then just tap continue. Again, you have to tap the continue button. After, scroll all the way to the bottom. Then it asks you to deactivate your account or download your information. I recommend you to export your information before permanently delete your account. After that, re-enter your password to verify yourself. Then you will get this final deletion window. Here, just tap the delete account option. Now wait few seconds, then you will get this notice. Now your account scheduled for permanently deletion. It will be deleted within next 30 days. So after confirming, you will get this kind of email from Instagram to your primary email address. Your Instagram profile or account has been scheduled to permanent deletion. Instead of deleting, if you want to deactivate or if you want to cancel the deletion request, you can click this end screen video and come on over. See you in the next one. Later.